Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a poll freeze effect in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project and select your videos or photos selected. For example, I'm going to open my project and I'm just going to select effect to add effect. I select video effect and it's so super simple. You are just going to add one effect. So there is poll freeze and trending. Here's poll freeze. You can tap on it again to adjust for the blur, speed, density and builder. So you can check mark and see for the final result like this. That's it. So super simple. You can combine with other effect or just with transition and etc. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.